Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to register with your city. We'll explore the most efficient and updated methods available to you. Whether you're looking to sign up for a new program, report an issue, or access essential services, knowing the right channels is key. We'll cover digital platforms and direct contact options to ensure you can easily connect with your local government. Many cities now offer comprehensive online portals, making registration straightforward. To begin, visit your city's official website and look for a services or resident section. You'll typically need to create an account using your email address and some basic personal information. Once logged in, you can apply for permits, pay bills, or register for community events, all from the comfort of your home, 24 hours a day. For even greater convenience, many cities provide dedicated mobile applications. These apps, available on both Apple and Android devices, allow you to register for services, report non-emergency issues like potholes or graffiti, and receive important alerts directly on your phone. Simply search for your city's official app in your device's app store, download it, and follow the prompts to set up your profile. It's a fast and efficient way to stay connected. While digital options are convenient, direct contact remains a vital method for city registration and support. You can always reach out to specific city departments by phone or email, typically found on the city's website. For more complex issues, or if you prefer face-to-face interaction, visiting a local city office or community center is an excellent option. Staff are available during business hours to provide personalized assistance and guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.